Is it time to buy or sell Elevai Labs common stock? In this video, we will explore Elevai Labs common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Elevai Labs common stock as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 91.53%. This means there has been an average loss of 2.08% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which could signal an early shift in the trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been disrupted, set at $0.0176. This level could present a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $0.120 might be the next potential peak for the trend, thereby establishing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 95.03% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -100% and -96.67%. Our latest daily update for Elevai Labs. Common stock includes the headline, High Volatility in Elevai Labs Inc. common stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at 0.26 of a cent. The Elevai Labs Inc. common stock price increased by 6.07% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, rising from 0.24 of a cent to 0.26 of a cent. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 82.99%, ranging from a low of 0.24 of a cent to a high of 0.44 of a cent. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 55.59% for this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 1 billion more shares traded than the day before. In total, 2 billion shares were bought and sold for approximately $45.52 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $4.24, while the lowest was 0.16 of a cent. Currently, the price stands at 99.38%, or $4.22, below the 52-week high of $4.24, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Elevai Labs Incorporated has been making headlines lately with significant developments that could impact its stock performance. On the 14th of November, 2024, the company clarified its earlier financial reporting, confirming that its results were from the third fiscal quarter rather than the second. This transparency is essential for building investor confidence, especially following a robust report that showcased a 74% gross margin and a strategic public offering aimed at promoting growth and innovation. Elevai's progress in clinical trials for their Infinity product reflects their ongoing commitment to aesthetic innovation, positioning them favorably in the rapidly expanding medical aesthetics sector. Additionally, the firm's current exchange offer emphasizes a strategy to enhance their capital structure by transitioning common stockholders to Series B preferred stock. This approach could stabilize equity levels and support future development initiatives. Moreover, Elevai Biosciences, a subsidiary of Elevai Labs, is advancing its research efforts by collaborating with a leading contract research organization to assist in regulatory planning with the Food and Drug Administration, particularly concerning EL22 for obesity treatment. This development positions the company to potentially access a lucrative market amid increasing consumer demand for effective obesity treatments. In the short term, the financial clarity and promising product pipeline may attract heightened investor interest and possibly result in an upward shift in stock price. The longer-term effects will largely depend on the successful execution of clinical trials and obtaining regulatory approvals, which may solidify Elevai's status as a key player in both medical aesthetics and pharmaceuticals. As these developments unfold, investors are likely to monitor stock movements with keen interest. Analysts have assigned Elevai Labs common stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Elevai Labs common stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen by approximately 47%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may impact the near-term outlook. Elevai Labs, Inc. common stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, while the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at 7.4 cents. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will encounter support from the short-term average at 2.05 cents. A breakout above the long-term average would provide another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 88 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 244 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Elevai Labs. Common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.0247 and 0.0214. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Elevai Labs Inc. common stock finds support just below today's level at 0.0247. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 0.0214 and 0.0201. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved 0.0200 between its high and low, representing an 82.99% change. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 32.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Elevai Labs common stock, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profits and could suggest a risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 9th of December, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Elevai Labs common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Elevai Labs common stock is at 28.9 cents. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Elevai Labs common stock encounters its first support level at 24.7 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Elevai Labs common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 26th of July, 2005, when David H. Grancy conducted an insider purchase of 4,800 shares of common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Elevai Labs common stock a good investment? Elevai Labs Inc. common stock presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of November, we anticipate that Elevai Labs common stock will open at a price of 530 cents and begin trading at 3,150 cents. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.